Welcome to 224 Jackstay Ct. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, fenced backyard, and laminate hardwood flooring downstairs inside is located in the Osprey subdivision in Chapin off Johnson Marina Road, just a few minutes from Lake Murray. Also convenient to I-26 and Harbison dining and shopping as well. So right out front, you can see you have a 2-car wide driveway and a 1-car garage. You have some lighting out front as well. Nice exterior with the stacked stone accents on the facade, as well as some of the multicolor contrast. You have a covered front porch here as well, as you can see. And then you step inside into the small foyer. You can see there's an open floor plan living space inside, with the kitchen open to the living and dining area. So you have your dining sort of as you come in on the right side here. Also, as you enter, a coat closet on the right side, and access to the 1-car garage is on the left here as well, right off the entry. So you can see there's a smaller medium-sized SUV parked inside for scale, so it's a pretty decent size. Also where the electrical panel and the tankless water heater, as well as the shut-off valve for the whole house water supply, live. And on the left, before you get to the kitchen, you also have a stash center here as well that has just some electrical components, a good place to stash phones, just devices, things you kind of take with you before you head out the door or come in. And then on the left here, the kitchen, you have dark granite countertops and cabinets. There's also a pantry, as well as included stainless steel appliances. There's a dishwasher. You have an above range microwave, smooth top electric stove, and French door refrigerator with the bottom drawer freezer. Also recessed lighting and some built-in speakers that likely have a connection, I believe, over there on the wall, where you can usually hook up either auxiliary cables or sometimes a USB, depending on how updated they are. So also the living room here, as you can see, is nice and open to the kitchen counter bar, just a high bar. You have a nice sized window, fireplace, which is a gas log fireplace on the back wall. At the time of the video, there's a mount pre-mounted above there, and you also looks like you're wired for just some of your electrical components to go through the walls as well. And access to the backyard is via the sliding glass door here. And you have a nice sized patio out back, and then a fenced backyard. It does tuck back around the sides of the house for a little bit more space as well. And a couple of trees out there, which are nice. And then back on the opposite side here, you also do have a half bathroom, the pedestal sink, and commode. In our bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms are upstairs. You have real hardwood treads on the stairs. Forgot to mention also, of course, the laminate hardwood flooring throughout the downstairs level also. And then once you get upstairs, you have some carpeting starting here. You have a window in the stairwell up here, as well as your full-size laundry closet. See a full-size washer-dryer connection side by side, and some built-in cabinetry above. Directly across from that is your master suite or owner primary suite. 2 windows looking out over the backyard. Nice size room. You can accommodate a king-size bed pretty easily in here. And then your master bathroom, primary bath with the double sinks, as well as a garden tub and shower. You also have a linen closet, nice deep linen closet in here, as well as a walk-in closet for clothing at the back. And you can see you have nice built-in shelving on the 2 walls in the corner there. And then additionally, you have 2 more bedrooms that share a full bath off the hall. So an attic access there, possibly some storage, in addition to the linen closet that you have on either side of the hall. You can see our bedroom straight ahead there, but first the hall bathroom to the left here. Single vanity and shower and tub in there. And last but not least, our 2 bedrooms. These are facing the front of the house and have a pretty standard size closet with the bifold doors. This one has 2 windows and pretty much the same closet. And that completes our tour of this home, 224 Jackstay Court in Chapin. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.